In this tutorial, we will learn to use EndNote for citation and referencing. Open the EndNote software. To make a new file, click on File, New, input a file name and save it. This file is now ready for citation and referencing purpose. Installation of the EndNote software will also integrate its tool in the Microsoft Word software that will assist in the usage of the EndNote software. Here are two sentences, and we will be using the EndNote software to insert the citations. One way to get the citation is to import it directly from the source of the published article. Download the citation in the EndNote format. Once the download is completed, locate the file and open the citation. If EndNote is not the default citation software, make a right-click and open the file using EndNote software. This action will allow the citation to be imported to the EndNote. The imported citation is bundled with summary that consists of the abstract, title, and author list. This software also allows the author and the article information to be edited. If needed, the PDF format of the article can also be attached. To insert the citation, head back to the Microsoft Word file. The citation will be inserted at the site where the mouse cursor is currently placed. Now, click on EndNote at the toolbar above. Go to the EndNote, which would lead back to the EndNote software. Select the citation and click on the double quotation mark-like symbol to insert the citation. As we can see, the citation is placed at the end of the sentence. The reference to this citation also becomes available. An alternative way to search for citation is through an online search that is available in the EndNote software itself. For this demonstration, let us use the PubMed. Click on the PubMed option. Either copy the sentence of your interest or type in the sentence and hit search. Once the search mode is completed, it returns you the article or a list of articles. To import this citation to the old reference, click on Reference, copy reference to, and select the file name you have created. Now, the citation is added to the list. Select this citation and head back to the Microsoft Word document. To insert this citation at the end of the second sentence, place the cursor at the end and click on EndNote. You can also use the Insert Citation option. Use the Insert Selected Citations option. The citation has been added at the end of the sentence and the reference has also been updated. To change the style of the citation, head to the Style and click on the drop-down. If the choice of the style is missing from the list, click on Select another style. Use the citation styles from this list. Select the style of your choice and click OK. The citation and the referencing style has been changed and updated. If the citation style is missing from the list, it can also be downloaded manually. Use any search engine and type in the name of the journal, for instance, Journal of Orthopedics Research plus EndNote style. Click on the appropriate link and scroll down to find the citation style download link. Click on the download style. Once completed, simply open the file. This will redirect the software to rename and save the citation style. Click on File, Save As, and Save. This window can be closed safely. Select Tools from above, Output Styles, open Style Manager, scroll down to find the citation style, check the style, and then close the EndNote style window. Now, the citation style can be easily changed again. Alternatively, the EndNote style window also allows you to search the citation styles directly. Click on Get More on the web. Either download all the available citation styles, or you can also search the specific citation style and it can be downloaded. These citations can also be shared. To share this citation, select the list of citations, click on File and Share. Using an email and a password, the citation file can be easily shared. If you wish to retrieve the original source of the citation, select the citation and use the EndNote Search option tool. Once the search mode is completed, make a right-click on the citation and select Open URL. It will then redirect you to the source of the citation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more such videos.